Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain coin. The price line of Vechain is breaking down very significant support, and in today's video we will analyze, are we going to break it down or is there any possibility for the price reversal. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame, and here we can see that we had a very strong support approximately at 5.5 cents. Right now we are sloping down. Here it worked as a resistance. Let me to change it to the daily time frame, then it will be more visible for you how much this support was important. And here we can see that when we had this rally in the month of Feb 2021, we had a very strong rejection, and finally we broke it out here in March 2021. And after this rally, we tested this support, we tested this support again, and we tested this support again here. And after the month of July 2021, we are again testing this support. So far, we are not close below the support on the daily time frame. However, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are moving below this support of 5.5 cents. So it is possible that if Bitcoin will start any recovery rally, a short recovery rally, it can be recovered back and it can move back above this very strong support zone. And after this support, the next support is where we are having this week of the candlestick, from where we are getting reversed back. You can see here we have the next support. Now I'm just going to switch back to the daily time frame again, and here we can see that this next support we have here approximately at 4.4 cents, and previously this support has been breaking as a nice support here and somehow as a resistance as well, but not so much a strong support. We have very slight support here when it worked as a support once here. So it is possible that now we will be moving down, and the next strong support will be here approximately at 3.2 cents. That will be a strong support because here it has been working as a support for several days. Now if we switch back to the weekly time frame, and here I would like to show you the stochastic as well, because this is really very important. When we have the stochastic in the oversold zone on the weekly time frame. Previously, when we had this stochastic in the oversold zone, we had a nice rally. Here we had a nice rally. Here again we had a nice rally. Once again the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and therefore while the stochastic is in oversold zone, this support zone from 5.5 cents to approximately 4.4 cents, where we are moving at this time, can work as a very strong support for the price reversal, having the support of the oversold condition of the stochastic on the weekly time frame. Now on the daily time frame, yes, we are at the support of a down channel, and the resistance we are having, the price level resistance at 7 cents, and the resistance of the down channel will be, in case of reversal from here, will be approximately at 6.6 cents. And you can see on the daily time frame, the RSI oscillator is also oversold, and previously when it was here in oversold condition in December 2021, we had a very nice rally. The price action tried to break out this resistance but could not break it out and rejected after several attempts, and again moved down at the support. And therefore again I would like to say that this is another very nice support. The condition of the RSI is oversold on the daily time frame. Now if the price line will be recovered back, then we have two resistance level here. One is the channel resistance that I told you that is approximately at 6.6 cents, and the next is the price level resistance of 7 cents. If it will be broken out, then next resistance will be here approximately at 10 cents, and after breaking it out, it can reach here approximately at 18 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.